Bill, the flavor guy here, and today we're going to review the Cuisinart soft serve ice cream machine. So let's see how it compares to a regular soft serve machine. Let's pour off our 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of sugar here, and I weighed it out in grams. Actually, I did about 90 grams. I'm going to pour that in. And it calls for 1 to 2 teaspoons. Our vanilla extract is so rich and flavorful. 1 teaspoon is really good. So you can feel the sugar dissolving down at the bottom. It's going to take a little bit because it's a high fat content. And also, I might add, when you're making your soft serve, if you want to turn it into hard ice cream, all you got to do is scoop it out, put it in a container, and rush it to the freezer and let it sit for a few more hours, and it'll be hard pack ice cream. All right, so this feels relatively dissolved. We'll be back in about 12 hours with the mix. And it's been 12 hours. It's been a long day. And now we're going to pour it into our little soft serve machine. Also, you might want to make sure you remember to push this thing all the way up. Oh, because if you don't, a whole bunch can leak out from the bottom. But let's stick a cup underneath there because this thing's really starting to bind up. Let's see how that works. Oh, wow, look at that. So I would say this machine is a success. But you can see a little bit of sprinkles on the top. Let's give it the taste test. Wow. That's soft serve ice cream. So I would say that the Cuisinart little soft serve machine passes the test. You can make a good soft serve ice cream with it. And looks like if you don't go too big on the containers, you're going to get quite a few of them. So it'd be great for like a kids night thing. You know, you have kids and they have their friends over, something that they could do that night. Have fun mixing it all together. Just do something simple like vanilla. Throw some blueberries in there. This is great. Well, the next time we meet, we'll probably do a pumpkin spice since it's that time. So this is the flavor guy saying, I approve. We'll catch you next time.